In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert simple numbers from base 10 to base 2 by just using our 5 fingers. Okay, so you can see I have drawn my 5 fingers on the board, and we are going to use that one to generate the answers to this side. Okay, so I'm going to start from the little finger. So I'll start here as 1. I can equally start it from this side. It is also applicable. So but I choose to start from here. Now to get the second finger, you multiply 2 by the previous finger. So here the previous finger here is 1. So I multiply 2 by this, and that will give me 2. To get this side, you multiply 2 by this. 2 times this is 4. To get this side, 2 times this is 8. To get this side, 2 times this is 16. That is the first stage. Very well. Now, having this idea, you are just going to base on this to get the answers, as I said earlier. So the first one is 2 base 10. We are converting it to base what? 2. So let's look at this 2. And let's come back to the fingers. We are locating where the 2 is. The 2 fell on this. Okay. So where the 2 fell on, let's lift it up. The rest of them, let it go down. The one that has been lifted up is seen as 1. The rest that have been fallen is seen as 0. Okay. So this is lifted up. So we go this way. We have 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0. The one lifted, 1, 0. So this is how I go. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So if you have something like 0, 8 without a decimal point, it is the same as 8 by ignoring the 0. Okay. So since there is no decimal point here, I can ignore all these zeros. So it becomes 1, 0 base what? 2. And that becomes the answer. Let's look at the second one. The second one is 3 base 10. You are converting it to base 2. So we come again with the fingers. 3, we can combine 2 to 1 to get our 3. So that means that the 2 and the 1 will be lifted up. The rest has to go down. And it will go this way. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is up. So the rest down. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And as I said, when the zeros begin, they can be ignored. So we are going to have them as 1, 1 base 2. Let's look at the next one. We have 5 base 10 to base 2. So to find 5, we can combine 4 and 1. Okay, the rest has to go down. So if the rest will go down, we have to get it this way. We have 0, 0, 1 because it's up, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So if zeros begin, we ignore the zeros here. So that means it comes 1, 0, 1 base 2. Next one, 8 base 10 to base 2. So 8 is already here. So 8 is lifted, the rest is down. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So if 0 is beginning, you ignore it. So we have 1, 0, 0, 0 base 2. Okay. Now let's look at base 10. 10 base 10 to base 2. 10, we're going to have 8 and 2. Okay. So 8 and 2, we'll have them this way as 0, 1 because 8 is up. 0, 2 is also up. 1, 0. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So if 0 begins, ignore that one. And that becomes 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. I believe you are getting the concept. Let's try the next one. 14. We can add 8 to 4. That will give us 12. Plus 2. That will give us 14. So the 3 alone will amount to 14. And that is, we are going to lift the 3 up. And then bring the rest down. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. If 0 begins, ignore that one. It becomes 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. Let's try the last two. 17. 17, we can have 16 and 1. And the rest has to go down. So we will have them this way. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, because the 16 and the 1 will sum up to the 17. So we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Since it did not begin with 0, it has to come. Base 2. Let's look at the last one. The last one is 25. Okay, so 25, we can add 16 to 8. 16 plus 8 to give us 24, plus 1, 25. So 11001, because we added the 16 to the 8 and that gave us 24. We need 1, we add 1. So it's the 16 and the 8 and the 1 that has been lifted. So 11001. So we have 11001 base 2. If you understood this, try 30, convert it to base 2. Have a nice day.